Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You should enable keyboard shortcuts in Gmail settings first. Open the gear, choose See All settings, then turn on keyboard shortcuts. Once done, press to view the help overlay so you know available keys. Now try composing with C, searching with /, and moving between conversations with K and J. These first actions get you immediate speed gains and build muscle memory. Make sure to practice a few times while keeping the overlay visible until the main keys feel natural. Once you're comfortable with basics, focus on navigation and message commands to work efficiently. Use X to select messages, then S to star or E to archive multiple items quickly. This avoids mouse trips. Press L to apply labels and R to reply or A to reply, all without leaving the keyboard. For quick jumps, use G then I to go to inbox, or G then S for starred. Make sure to sequence commands deliberately and practice on a small batch until your fingers remember the pattern. Finish by building a repeatable workflow. Compose with C, add recipients with Tab, send with Control plus Enter, then archive with E and mark unread with Shift plus U as needed. Customize further using Gmail settings or a printable cheat sheet to learn personalized combos. If shortcuts stop working, first confirm they are enabled in settings, then clear cache and reload Gmail and disable browser extensions that intercept keys. If problems persist, try a different browser to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.